Hello dear students. In the previous part of reproduction in organisms, we had discussed about fragmentation and budding, which are the modes of asexual reproduction. Now, in this video, we will discuss about the next mode of asexual reproduction, that is regeneration. As regeneration is the mode of asexual reproduction, therefore in regeneration only one parent is required. Why? Because in asexual reproduction there is the need of only one parent. What happens in regeneration? How organisms divide itself in the mode of regeneration? Regeneration is derived from the two words re and generation. Re means again, and generation means production, that is production of full body or complete body from a part of an organism. किसी भी ऑर्गेनिज्म के एक टुकड़े से पूरी बॉडी का वापस बन जाना. री दैट इज अगेन, एंड जनरेशन दैट इज प्रोडक्शन ऑफ फुल बॉडी फ्रॉम अ पार्ट ऑफ अ बॉडी, है ना. किसी भी ऑर्गेनिज्म से पूरी बॉडी का बन जाना, किसी भी एक टुकड़े से, किसी भी एक पार्ट से, है ना. दैट प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड रीजनरेशन. एंड इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ रीजनरेशन only one parent is required because regeneration is the mode of asexual reproduction. For example, let us consider one example of a flatworm, which is planaria. In the class 9, you have discussed this example in platyhelminths of the diversity chapter. No? Because planaria is a flatworm. No? Suppose that this is a planaria, this is a flatworm. If this planaria is cut into three different parts. This is the head part, this is the middle part, and this is the tail part. Then what will happen? From each part of planaria, complete new planaria will form. Whole body will form from each part. Suppose that this is the head part, then the rest part except head will form from the head region. This is the middle part, then except middle part, all the parts will form from this middle part. This is the tail part, then all the part except tail will form from the tail part. So this is the wonder method. Why? Because the cells of planaria are regenerative in nature. They are able to divide and they are able to form a full body from a single cell itself or from a part of a body. So, how we will define regeneration? Regeneration is a mode of asexual reproduction in which complete body will form from a single part or a part of a body. ऐसा mode regeneration जिसमें कि complete full body का formation एक टुकड़े से हो सकता है, एक part of body से हो सकता है. For example, planaria. What is planaria? Planaria is a flat worm. No, this is a worm. If planaria is cut into different various parts, then all parts of planaria will form a complete body design. Therefore, from one planaria, in this example, how many planarias are formed? 3 planarias are formed. There are several different organisms also which can divide and which can reproduce by the help of regeneration. Like hydra. Have you ever seen hydra? Hydra is very small animal, aquatic animal. Hydra is also reproduces itself by the help of regeneration. Starfish. Starfish is also reproduces itself by the help of regeneration. No? Why these organisms are able to make full body from a part of body? Because their body consists of regenerative cell, and due to that regenerative cell they are able to produce full body from a single part of the body. Understood? So in the regeneration concept there is must example is of planaria, which reproduces itself by its body part, and that body part is fully grown into a completely new offspring. Okay, this is all about regeneration. Thank you. I hope you like this video.